Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about null pointers in C++. So what is a null pointer? A null pointer which is pointing to the null location. Like here, null means 0 in C and C++. So why do we need a null pointer? Let's understand a little background about this. Suppose we allocated a memory on the heap using the new operator. Then we access the memory location using the pointer and change the value at that location. After some time we deleted the memory. Now after this point, our pointer PTR becomes a dangling pointer. If someone tries to access the memory at this location using the PTR at this point, then it can result in an undefined behavior. Even it can crash your application. Therefore, just after deleting the memory, we need to make pointer PTR point to null, that is 0. After that we can check if pointer is valid or not. If it is valid, then we can access the value at that memory location. Now null in C++ stands to 0. Therefore, if we pass pointer in the if expression, it will evaluate to false in this case because it's a null pointer and it will not go into the block. So after deleting a memory on the heap, it's essential to initialize it with null. Similarly, if you are creating a pointer like this, by default it points to a garbage memory location because the default value is a garbage value. So we must not initialize or declare a pointer like this. We should always declare it with a null like this. And if you are using the modern C++, you can also use the null PTR. After that, while accessing the data at the memory location pointed by the pointer, we should first check if pointer is valid or not. If pointer is valid, then only access the data at the memory location like this. Like in this case, pointer contains a null pointer. So our if expression will evaluate to false and we will not try to access the memory location using that pointer. Therefore, we should always initialize the default pointers with null. When we are deleting the memory allocated on the heap, we should always initialize the pointer back to null again. So that's why null pointers are very important in C++. This video is a part of pointers course in C and C++. For more videos related to this course, you can check out our playlist on YouTube or you can go to our website thispointer.com for the complete course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.